Hello, welcome to Nana's Journey. Today I'm making a new quilt. We are just going to be making a bunch of these blocks. It's just a square in a square. And I'm going to be using the Old Glory by La Bella Boutique from Moda. I'm just using a jelly roll. I also got the, I don't know what it's called. There's a pack of solids, a companion pack I guess you'd call it, that goes with the Old Glory, so that I could have just a few solids in there. And all you need is two 6.5-inch strips, two 2.5-inch squares, and a contrasting 2.5-inch square to make one block. And you'll just put the squares together, and then you'll put the rectangles on each end. And that's it. That's the whole block. I'm going to make one about 10 blocks across and 6 down. So that's about 110 blocks. So I'll need 55 light and a 55 dark. And then put it together, and hopefully I can put it together so it looks nice. But let me show you how to make a couple blocks, and then I'll show you when it's finished. Okay, I'm just going to separate my squares from my, got one extra one there, the contrast. And I'll just do a lot of chain stitching. I'll put the two contrasting squares right sides together. Then I put the matching fabric on the other side of the contrasting square. And then you press it open. Okay, I've pressed to the outside. It really doesn't matter which way you press, because no seams are going to be matching. See, this is going to be next to a solid. And if you have stripes and it's the outside border part, if you want them all going the same way, make sure you take note of which direction these strips are going, so that these ones will match this. So be careful of your directional fabric. Okay, now that we've got those pressed, we would just put them together, and I would turn these so that the seam lines are opposite. So these ones go this way, these ones will go this way, and these ones will go this way. And that way you don't have any matching seams. So, and you just do each row like that, and pretty easy. Okay, I have all the blocks done. I laid them out on the floor, tried to balance it out the best I could. I'm not real good at that. And then collected all of row 1. And what I will do is the darks will go, the seams will go this way, and the lights will go this way. And then I will put them together, and this way no seams match. I will not do chain stitching because I don't want to get more than one row out at a time, because then I would just get lost. So then again, the lines will go this way this time. And that is how the rows will be put together. And then I will just nest the seams for the rows, put that together, and I will see you when the quilt top is finished. Okay, the quilt is finished. I had some squares left, so I made a row and put them in the back. Okay, and here's the front. It's 10 by 11, so that's 60 by 66 inches. And I even remembered to put my label on. So this one is ready to go. And I want to thank you for joining me. My summer is going to be very busy. I've got 2 grandbabies coming, a family reunion and a camping trip, so I don't know how often I'll be getting the videos out. But I hope you join me next time on Nana's Journey.